Hey everyone, my name's Alex with Systems Refined, and today I kind of want to tell you my story on how I got started with Asana and what I hope to achieve with it. Let me move this a little closer. So before I started using Asana and creating the Asana tips and tricks videos, I actually did online marketing or like social media marketing or Facebook advertising. And I targeted businesses that did a little less than $1 million a year in revenue. I really wanted to start my own business so that I could travel whenever, wherever I wanted. So I was really looking for like that laptop lifestyle. I just wanted to find a way to make money with just a laptop. And I felt like I needed to do this so I wouldn't miss out on life. After work, I was always drained. Like I didn't feel like doing anything. I just wanted to go home. I wanted to take a nap. I just wanted to sleep or just watch TV. And when the weekends came, I didn't really want to do anything either because I needed to catch up on sleep. And also, I really didn't make that much money, so I couldn't really afford to go anywhere. So I kind of had it felt like a boring life. It really did. So I chose to do online marketing because I felt like I could help people and also thought that marketing was kind of interesting. So I figured, why not? So I read all the books, I bought all the courses, I watched all the YouTube videos, and I even went to like marketing events. And at one point I joined a marketing mastermind group that was ran by Joe Soto and Andrew Locke. If you don't know who Joe Soto is and you're a marketer, that's surprising to me. So I joined the mastermind group because I wanted to take my business to the next level. So, because for me, like getting clients was actually really difficult. But I think it was because of my lack of passion. Over time, like after doing it for like over a year, I didn't enjoy doing marketing. To me, it was just another job. And it was long hours, long hours, especially a lot of sales calls and things like that. So I had a few clients, but the ones that I did have, like I actually kind of struggled keeping up with the work because I didn't really have a system in place to manage them. I didn't know how to run a business. I just knew how to do their marketing. So things were falling through the cracks. I missed a couple deadlines. Sometimes I didn't even get enough information from the clients. And sometimes I forgot how to actually do something because it was something I did like once a quarter. So it would just like, oh crap, how do I do that again? So this was actually hurting my business and my confidence in owning a business. So I started looking for project management tools, and that's when I found Asana, and I immediately fell in love with it. So I started making projects and templates so that I could manage my clients and not miss any more deadlines and just do the same thing the same way every single time. I felt that's how you build a very good, well-maintained business. So fast forward a couple months, the first in-person meeting with the mastermind group was in Salt Lake City, and there we presented like all of our successes, all of our challenges, and Joe and Andrew would just feed us gold nuggets. And even though I wasn't presenting, like someone else was, like the nuggets that they were getting, I was like, this is amazing. I'm taking notes and, we're recording it and everything. And excuse me. And I just couldn't wait for my turn because I'm thinking, well, if they are giving these guys awesome, information and I can apply it to my business, like, what are they going to say to me? Like, this is going to be great. Like, I'm going to take my business to the next level. No problem. So, and I had to wait a day. So it was a 2.5 day event. So I didn't present the first day, but I presented the second day. And when it was my turn, and before I even started telling them my struggles, I wanted to show them like, hey, this is how I've been organizing Asana or my business in Asana. And, we had PowerPoint slides. So I had it up showing them like the templates that I made, for like Facebook campaigns, contest giveaways, blueprints, the reputation management, like how to onboard new clients. And I told everyone that they could have all these templates too. I'm like, you can have them. And they were just like, this is amazing. Like, holy crap, why doesn't anyone else do this? And I was like, you can have it all. You don't have to miss any more deadlines. You can you can onboard clients a lot easier. You won't miss any information when you onboard them, or when you ask them for contest information. And it'll also it'll make your business like more predictable. It'll make you more professional, and the chaos just kind of like melts away, because like you have a system in place. Like, oh, this is what I have to do. Perfect. So, and the funny thing about it is, like, I could not wait to show them what I did in Asana. Yeah, I was excited to kind of get those gold nuggets, like, hey, this is what I'm struggling with. What do I do to move forward? But like, I wanted to show them, this is what you can do in Asana. And then Joe Soto, he looks at me and he says to me, Alex, this is your business. So I kind of chuckled, and he turns to Andrew and he goes, he thinks I'm joking. Like, Alex, this is your business. And then when he said that, it clicked. Like, yeah, this is my business. Like, I enjoy doing this. And he went over like how I could market this. And he literally spent, him and Andrew spent probably about a good 35 minutes going over everything that I could do. And they just opened my eyes to something I didn't see, but everyone else did. So that's what I was going to do. And it was kind of a relief, because I was not making nearly as much money in marketing to pay the bills. And unfortunately, my girlfriend had just broken up with me. I had moved across the country to move with her. And when she broke up with me, I had to move back. So I moved from Indiana to Florida. And since I'm in the National Guard, I was given an opportunity to go active duty. So I took it so that I could pay the bills. But the first thing I was going to do was start helping everyone in the mastermind group with Asana. I figured they would be a great test group, to start out this new business. So I started creating projects in everyone's Asana and showed them how to use it quickly, and would say, this is all you gotta do. You just gotta do this, and you just gotta do that. But no one got it. They didn't understand it. And I couldn't get it through their head, like how to use what it is that I created for them. So then I went a different route. I thought, okay, maybe I need to create like standard operating procedures or training manuals, whatever, for their job roles for specific tasks that showed how to use Asana as well. And that kind of flopped too. That didn't work. So, and after a while, like my desire to like really start this business was just dying. Like I was working on it for almost a year, and I felt like I wasn't able to figure this out. So I took a few months off to reflect. I stopped work. So I had 2 clients. I stopped working with them, put my head down in shame because I couldn't figure it out. And I thought maybe this entrepreneurial thing isn't for me. So after 5 months, like the entrepreneurial spirit or dust kind of settled, and me building a business seemed to just like dwindle away. But then one day I just woke up and I was like, no, I don't, like, I'm still in the military. I'm like, I don't want to do this. Like, I want to have my own business. Like, I want to travel whenever I want. I don't want to be tied down to one area. And then, so I got back into Asana, started looking at other things, like kind of reflecting on the past. And then it just clicked. I was like, oh, I just need to build an Asana Quick Start course for marketers. Like, you don't need to know the ins and outs of Asana. You just need to know how to use it to get the hang of it. So, and you shouldn't have to spend days and weeks learning it. You should maybe a few hours to learn Asana, so that way you can get a handle on it. And for those that want to actually learn Asana even more, I'm actually going to start creating an advanced course called Asana Secrets Master Course. So that way, they can learn even more. But I don't want to get too in depth with it yet. But it'll definitely help digital marketers and really any agency or business, and help them run their business, make them more predictable, and even very productive. So that's what I'm doing. I'm currently building out the Quick Start course and a couple other things that I think would provide a lot of value to those who want to learn more about Asana. So I'll keep you guys posted and updated on the courses and materials, and as well, I'll keep making the Asana tips videos. So yeah, that's my story. If you liked it, please, give me that thumbs up, click on the like button, and absolutely, click on subscribe if you want to see any of the Asana tips videos that I'll be creating. So there it is. Thanks for listening, and I hope you guys have a productive day.